downshifting. That's just staying in whatever, 4th or 5th gear. Had to pass a truck. Doing this and bore you guys to death, or come back to it when I'm off the freeway and have some accelerating to do. But just wanted to give an idea of what highway speeds are like. I'm actually driving up to Sacramento right now from Los Angeles, so it's pretty brutal freeway drive for something that's geared like this. But I kind of wanted to test it out on a long distance drive and see how it did, and it's doing okay. So a little warm right now. It was holding at like 183, 184, and I think as the afternoon temperatures crept up a bit, it's not 92.9 degrees outside, I can tell you that. But as it's gotten warmer, obviously the operating temperature, oil temperature has crept up. So, but it's holding. I mean, you can see it there, floating around 189 to 194. So that's what I know. Oh, and you know what? All this is with the AC on. You turn that off. That'll help some things out. Anyway, I'll post up another one here in a little bit, but just wanted to give an idea for those of you considering the re-gear.